Some plants, like certain types of pine trees, need fire to release their seeds from cones, helping the forest regenerate. Nature facts you never knew. The last one will astound you. Fire whirls, also known as fire tornadoes, can occur during intense wildfires, creating spirals of flame and ash. Smoke from wildfires can travel thousands of miles, affecting air quality far from the fire's origin. Prescribed burns, or controlled fires, are used by forest managers to reduce the risk of more severe wildfires. Some animals, like the black-backed woodpecker, thrive in burned forests, feeding on insects that infest charred trees.